off up here where these cars are. Get a
west view.
west view.
I don't know if we can.
There is a road coming up here that's going to be a left turn.
All right.
It's right here where these cars. Slightly wrapped.
Yeah, it's not. Look at that.
I see that. Wow. Looks like it's roping out.
Yeah. Yeah, huge tornado cyclone.
Pretty surged.
Yeah,
surgy there.
Oh yeah, look at that crazy motion. Just getting kicked out. You want to take this break right here and go continue east?
This break?
Yeah, the traffic
yes.
break. We good?
We might have tornado.
Where?
I don't know.
Yeah. Oh no, man. It's wrapping rain bands off to the left. See that?
Yeah, I see that.
Keep on?
Yeah, keep on.
That would be it. Be right here. I think.
It could be just.
There's another stupid one. We're not gonna get lost in here, I don't think, right?
No. Trees are pissed. Trees are now going behind. Wind's going behind us.
What do you want me to do? Jesus. What do you want me to do?
Straight.
Okay.
Just keep looking behind us.